Hi guys, this is CA Ghanshyam Agarwal. This is by far the first video that I am creating as a comprehensive video how you can approach an articleship in Big 4 and top 20 CA firms. Okay, I'm quite confident till the end of the video. If you watch the complete video, you don't have to watch any other video relating to articleship. What are the things that will be discussed out here? How you can approach an articleship, how you can approach ways to get into articleship, whether it's Big 4 or a top 20 CA firms, and also what sort of questions, what sort of different rounds which are asked, and also FAQs are also there, frequently asked questions from many article assistants which we have gathered over LinkedIn and Instagram and WhatsApp connections. So we have got so many doubts, so we'll try to cover each and everything. Okay, if you're new to our channel, we create content on these topics on a regular basis for CA freshers, commerce professionals, job seekers, and we have GS Prime mentorship program as well. Okay, I have a 4 years of experience working in Big 4. So I think I would be better able to guide you properly. Okay. First thing that you have to remember, getting an articleship into a Big 4 is way much difficult than getting into cracking an interview after clearing CA, because there are so many articles which actually clear, so many people actually who clear the IPCC exams compared to the people who clear the CA final exam. Because the entry is easy, the exit is difficult, so the competition will be very high. You have to know this in the beginning itself. Okay, so the first thing that you have to improve is how will you able to network properly, how will you able to make a resume properly, how will you make a profile properly, and how will you able to crack the interviews as well. So you have to be a very proactive person on the day in itself. Okay, then only it is easy to get into top 20 firms. Okay, and academically also you have to be very good also. Okay, so the first thing which is very important if you want to get into the top 20 CA firms, that you should actually know the name of the CA firms. Okay, so that is the most important thing, that you have to know the names of the CA firms. Now what are the top 20 CA firms? Now the top 20 CA firms you can easily get in Coda.com, Google it out. You can see my first video also on the YouTube channel. We will place all the necessary videos in the end screen I button in the description. We will place possible in the first comment. So go through them very well. Okay, so make sure that you know the top 20 CA firms in India apart from Big 4. Don't try only the Big 4, because in Big 4 there is already too much of competition, and also top 20 CA firms also you will get a very good exposure. I'll tell you, I have not even worked in the top 20 CA firm, but still I am working in Big 4s. I have worked in PwC, and I have worked in good amount, and I have had a good amount of exposure in Big 4. So if you are not able to crack a Big 4 interview, not getting into Big 4 or even top 20 CA firm, still I would say your life is not over. This is they say you cannot do well in life. It is not the case. It all depends on how really you learn and grow as an individual, and your whole personality is very important in this. Okay, so don't get disheartened even if you are not able to get into a Big 4 or even a top 20 CA firms due to any situation it may be. Yeah, try hard, but even if it is not happening the way you want, there are other opportunities also available. Okay, so first thing, what are the things that you can do, how you can ways to get into articleship? Get the names of the top 20 CA firm, number one thing. Second thing, make a proper resume. I will not get into the details of the resume, but you have to make a one-page resume. You can see my videos of resume. We will place in the I button and everything. You can go through my videos on resume in detail, what is exactly required. Okay, 2 or 3 videos. Okay, that will really help. Okay, second thing, which is the most important thing, is the LinkedIn profile. Okay, so if you have not created an account in LinkedIn, so it is very important that you prepare a LinkedIn profile and optimize it. Prepare a proper banner. Headline should be there, about section, so that has to be done properly. This we discuss also during our GS Prime mentorship program, so you can watch some of the videos there also, and we also discuss very nicely during the profile. So make sure you have a LinkedIn profile, proper resume you have to prepare, because if the resume is a sales brochure and the resume is not prepared well, so you will not get shortlisted by anyone. Okay, so this is the second process that you have to do. The third thing that you have to do is you have to apply. You know the names of the top 20 CA firms. Now you have to apply to the career portal of the CA firms other than the Big 4 or the Big 6 firms. Okay, also try to contact through the phone numbers mentioned in the career portal. So there in the career portal you might get an HR email or phone number, to try to contact them through those email IDs and phone number. Try to upload their CV in their career portal as well, other than the Big 4 or Big 6. In the Big 4 or Big 6, try to get the referral directly from the people who work there. Now you say that I don't have anyone, I don't know personally anyone. That is where LinkedIn comes into play. If you have a proper profile over LinkedIn, make sure you have a professional photo. LinkedIn banner should be very professional. LinkedIn banner in Hindi I would say LinkedIn दुकान का तरह है आपका. रेज्यूमे सेल्स ब्रोचर है तो LinkedIn दुकान का तरह है. LinkedIn का बैनर दुकान का नाम है. Now and your photo should be very professional. तो वाई एम सेइंग इट इज अ शॉप फॉर यू, बिकॉज लिंक्डइन में आदमी नौकरी के लिए जाता है, तो वहाँ पर वो एक दुकान का तरह वेर यू आर ऑल्सो योर प्रोफाइल इज अ दुकान, एंड दैट इज लिंक्डइन इज अ मार्केट। लिंक्डइन इज अ मार्केट, तो आपका प्रोफाइल दुकान है और जो बैनर है वो दुकान का नाम है। तो प्लीज रिमेंबर दिस, वो बैनर में आपको एक्जैक्टली लिखना है कि आप क्या चीज में जाना चाहते हो। मेरा भी प्रोफाइल जाके देखिएगा, तो जो भी चीज आप बेचने का कोशिश कर रहे हो, वट एवर यू ट्राइंग टू सेल, यू हैव टू प्लेस इट इन द बैनर। तो बैनर भोजन यूज ठीक से करते नहीं है, विच आई हैव ऑल्सो सीन। यू हैव टू राइट दैट आई एम एन ऑडिट एंथुसियास्ट, टैक्स एंथुसियास्ट, राइट योर ईमेल आईडी, फोन नंबर, अबाउट सेक्शन ऑल्सो मेंशन योर ईमेल आईडी, फोन नंबर। अगर आप मेल आईडी फोन नंबर अगर मेंशन करोगे, देन यू माइट गेट अ कॉल फ्रॉम एचआर, हु नोज अबाउट इट। Fourth process is, after you prepared a LinkedIn profile and everything, please try creating post in LinkedIn. You can easily create some content in LinkedIn about accounting standard, CARO, or any amendments which has come in taxation. And in the call to action, you can write like this, that if you like this post, if you like the content which I have prepared, I am looking for a internship role or a job interview. This hack can be done by any person. You have already created the content. Now you can ask for the call to action. I am looking for an articleship or a job. If you know anyone who can refer me, I would be very grateful. Please like, comment, and comment for better reach in this post. If you do this, you never know, you might get into the best firms also, because people nowadays see the skills of the person rather than the marks or the degrees. So if your post is really great, then I've seen many people, they have personally placed them into finance role. They have created a financial model, placed it into LinkedIn, and then they wrote that I'm looking for a job in this profile, and they got the job also, only by the means of their skills. Even without a proper interview, they got the job on the basis of the content they placed over LinkedIn. So make sure you make a very good LinkedIn profile. If you have not subscribed to the channel till now, and like, comment on this post, and you're seeing the sweat, okay, because our AC chal raha nahi hai mera, so please like and comment, and I think you will appreciate the efforts which I am putting. Okay, so after this आपको क्या करना है, you have to get the references of the people. तो आपको cold calling, cold messages करना पड़ेगा. You have to do the cold calling and cold messages. If you don't know how to do cold calling, cold messages, तो वीडियोस देखिए कैसे करना है. तो you have to reach out to, आप एक word file में, in a word file you prepare a cold calling, cold messages that you have to make a customized message. Now just copy paste them into to the respective persons, the respective HRs, the respective people. Target a big four, in a big four, for example a KPMG. Target you make a connection request with the HR and people who work there, and just ask for referral. Normally when you ask for referral, go to little senior person in a particular company who has little bit of hold on pushing your CV and something. So that will also really help. Okay, and also one more thing, if you are not cleared your articleship before that, you don't apply. Only after clearing both the groups, then you only apply, because Big Four normally take both the groups cleared on most of the occasions. Again, an important question that is asked, can I go for a transfer? Yeah, Big Four normally allows transfer cases also. I have seen many cases, they might apply, they allow transfer cases in most of the cases. Okay, so that is going to be important for you to know. Many people ask them, normally they prefer both the groups cleared. Okay, so many people say I have only one group cleared and they will hire me or not. Very difficult to get into a Big Four with one group cleared. Okay, so you have to have both the groups at least cleared to get shortlisted. Okay, apart from this, I have told you about the LinkedIn profile, creating post, and then writing call to action. You can also write in a weekly basis that looking for an articleship, and tag me also. You can tag me on LinkedIn. I don't have any problem here. I have a LinkedIn account. I will try to like, comment on that post for better reach. And references, try to get references. You can also mail to my mail ID as well. I will try to help them as well. So as many as I can. So you can get the references, LinkedIn profile, career portal. I have told you, I'm just revising everything. Career portal I have already told you. You can get the HR number from there also. The fourth thing you can do is you can join the Telegram groups of the job seekers or articleship. You can write in LinkedIn CA Articleship or something. You can join the WhatsApp group, Telegram groups. You will get to know more. You can join mentorship programs as well. The last thing, like we also have a GS Prime mentorship program for the common job seekers. So we have also have many articleship. Now we don't give a guarantee that you will get into the top 20 CFM, but people have got into good firms. So we normally take a nominal charges for this. Okay, because we have seen key articles don't earn money that much, so we take very nominal charges, and we take nominal charges. That is why we are taking it, so that the articles are actually don't go here and there. At least they are serious. We want people who are serious enough to acknowledge the efforts that we are putting, and they get into, because if you do it for free, then people will not take the actions seriously, and they will actually not apply the steps that we are exactly telling them to do. So we have Monday to Sunday sessions. If you think we are doing, you can see our results also, testimonials also, and if you think we are doing a good job, and if you think the cost is also reasonable, you can apply. It's your wish. Otherwise you can see the videos, and that is also, it's up to you, but that can help you to get into an articleship firm. And I'm telling you guys, if you can get into Big Four or top 20 CA firms, it can have a very great impact on your big career. So this is up to you, but this is the thing that we are also providing. So I thought, that can be a useful thing for you to note it. Okay, So, but the cost would be very reasonable, maybe a dinner cost at a bigger restaurant. So we will keep it very limited so that we can help as many candidates as we can, and we have a focused approach towards getting them in good firms. Okay, so this is what we can do. Apart from this, now what are the questions that we have to study? Now there are 3 types of rounds in an Big Four interview. First is the aptitude test, second is the technical rounds from the manager and the partner level, and HR interview call there will be. Okay, now what will be asked in an aptitude test? Now aptitude test is comprised of quantitative aptitude test. There can be questions on compound interest, simple interest, profit and loss, discount, time and work, speed, distance, board stream, number problem, basic maths. So these are the questions that they might ask you. A lot of, you can see a lot of content in YouTube as well. For aptitude test you must prepare it, otherwise you might not clear. Logical reasoning, math reasoning, diagram reasoning, English comprehensive, GK, account, taxation, journal entries, BRS. So they can ask you on a lot of topics. So please make sure you watch a lot of content on this aptitude test and solve a lot of papers. Okay, that is going to be very important. The video is a little longer, but I think you have stayed till the end if you are looking for an articleship and my content is good. I have not wasted a single minute to speak any in the thing. Okay, so I have tried to be on point all the time. Okay, the second thing is that you have to do is your technical test. You will get a technical interview round. Now that will come from the manager and the partner, and then there will be a behavioral interview questions also. Now for behavioral interview questions, we have placed all the questions that tell me something about yourself. Why do we hire you? Strength, weakness. Any questions do you have for us? So all those questions we have already placed in the YouTube, so you can go through our channel. We'll also place in the I button if it's possible description list, so you can go through them. Stat audit, direct tax questions, we have already made separate content on the, otherwise the video will become very big. So you can go through them once. Okay, so the basic questions that is asked again, technical round, why Big Four, why KPMG, why EY, why SS Kothari, like this they will ask about why this company, why this particular profile, why stat audit, why not internal audit, why not taxation. So this sort of tricky question that will ask. How will you manage studies and the work-life balance out here? How will you work for that? These are the questions that the manager will ask. Make sure you know accounting standard, little bit of India's, if it will be a bonus. CARO standards on auditing, so you should have a basic overall idea, at least 2 or 3 essays, and this you should have a good idea. Any amendment which has come in any of the things in schedule 3 CARO and this, you should be very good with this. Okay, we have already covered in the audit interview questions also. There's a separate video, you can go that as well. That will be useful for you. I think I have covered everything. Behavior interview, technical rounds, aptitude test. Okay, and the most important thing is the follow-up, and this is where people get wrong. Even if an interview goes well, everything goes well, if you don't follow up with the HR, then they might forget you. So make sure that you follow up with the HR. Also follow with the person whom you have asked for referral. Okay, so there are, I have covered almost everything. Apart from this, if you have any doubts or any questions, you can write in the comment section. Also, if you want to join our GS internship program, you can also think about it. We have also a separate video on it of what areas we can help, like resume review, LinkedIn profile optimization, post creation, and how to prepare for interviews, mock interviews. That is very important, because many students falter during the mock interviews. Many people have a problem with English. Okay, so how they have a problem how to answer the question, they get nervous. So we can help with the mock interviews, everything. So this is, I don't think so anybody is doing the mask level like me, so that can really help you. We also have a skill-based courses also, so they are also asked questions on Excel as well, so we'll also try to help you with the Excel as well, Excel knowledge as well. I really hope this video was useful to you, and if you like this video, I think you have also subscribed the channel by far. I think if you have watched the video till the end, you might have also subscribed the channel also. Okay, till then, bye bye, and please watch my videos, because we create content in stock market, business case studies, and a lot different content from this. We don't restrict ourselves to the same content, but different content. So I think my videos will be useful for you, and please watch all the videos. If you watch all the videos, who knows, you might clear your rounds of interview as well. Thank you so much.